What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back here in the city of Glendale. We're about to go ahead and check out this new reopening of the Nike store out here in Glendale by the Americana. They were shut down for a little while. They did a remodel. Let's go ahead and check that out. And then before we get out of here, we got to look at some of the stores since we're here in the mall already. So Nike is back open, remodeled. Let's go ahead and look inside and see what the big difference is. Definitely a new look in here. Not too bad. They got these on deck, the Hurricane Dunk Lows. Oh, they got some sizes of the Stealth. Maybe this is a return, like they usually have, the return table. But it's a much different floor plan than what you might have seen before. They have pandas on deck too. Men's panda on deck, which is dope to see also. Definitely seen this at the outlets. Pretty cool colorway though. Down here, so they got more shoes down here. As you can see, Jordan 1 lows and mids. Nothing that we haven't seen already. Here's the wall. So they have it labeled lifestyle, modern, classic, training, and running. Pretty much a lot of the shoes that we've seen before, but just a new look at the store, which is dope to see. Vapor Max 23. Definitely seen this colorway before. I like this one. Plus they got the black and silver one as well. I have not seen this colorway or this style on the Blazer Low. Pretty good material. Got the rope-like laces. For ladies, retail 110 bucks on these. Definitely seen this colorway before, I believe. 160 on the Zoom Fly. Colorway's not bad. Definitely seen the one before it. I don't know if I remember seeing this shoe. Zoom X Vaporfly retailing for 250 bucks. This location just opened today. New remodel, new look. If you guys have seen my channel before, you guys see the difference in here. On the men's side, lifestyle sneakers, they do have some Dunk Highs here, as well as this most recent release, one of the more recent releases of the Dunk Low. Seen this at the outlets too. Not too many stores had these though. Let me know what you guys think about this colorway. Got the, what is that? I don't know what that is. Suede and canvas material, I guess. We have also seen this colorway too. Not a bad colorway, 110 on the retail. Don't recall seeing this one. The one I saw before had a 3M swoosh. Is this the same shoe? Oh yeah, this is the one with the 3M shoe, as you guys can see. 3M Nike swoosh and back heel tab. Not a bad colorway for this Dunk Low. Let me know if you guys are feeling this. 110 on the retail. The Dunk High Pandas here chilling out. They do have a few retros available with sizes left. The Jordan 5 Craft. Of course, we talked about this shoe plenty of times on the channel. Washed black. Not a bad colorway, of course. Still available. Did not sell out at all. Give me your thoughts on these shoes. And of course, these are available. If we're seeing these at the outlets by the boatload, of course, they're going to be available in the store too. Got like an army green colorway on the Next Nature. Let me know what you guys think about these. 150 on the retail. Not a bad shoe. Another colorway of this sneaker too. A lot of colorways of this shoe. I've seen like one that's a really, stand out to me so far though. Men's Blazer Low. You got the black leather with the suede guards around the toe box and the side, which is pretty clean too. $90 on the retail for these. A new spin to the Air Force One. Maybe we've seen this before, I'm not sure. Got the canvas and the leather materials. 110 on the retail for these. Are you guys a fan? Got the whole women's section just looking a little different here, how it's all set up. Got the sizes here so it's easy for you to find what you're looking for. I feel like they can maybe fit more inventory in the store doing it like this, so that's pretty dope here to see. So this new Nike store has a dope layout. Definitely come here and check it out. Hopefully the selection will get a little bit better, but they did have some pandas there. So I'm not just gonna let the video end right there. We're gonna go ahead and check out the stores here at Nike or at JD, Shoe Palace, and everything else. But I'm not gonna show you guys duplicates, only the heat, you dig? JD Sports apparently has a big sale going on. Look at all the red tags just in the window alone. Let's go see what they got here that's on sale. Sale here, under $40. Sale there, Jordan tee. This looks like something else. What kind of tee is this? Oh, okay. Thought this was something else that I just recently bought. Right here on display, as soon as you walk in, you got baby pandas, and you got one of the dunks out of that fisherman pack or whatever it's called. Definitely seen this before, not trying to duplicate, but we've seen it, and it is right here in the front. I never seen them have tags on the display mannequins. That's kind of wild. They trying to get this shit out of here. Do they not have a sale going on in here? Reduced, tag, sale, sale, sale. Even we got Laker jerseys on sale. Oh my goodness. Mitchell & Ness, normally $115, down to $85. The Shaq O'Neal jersey, got some sizes left, 85 bucks. If they had extra percentage off, I think people probably would grab it. Plus this one just looks kind of Very narrow. Oh, these are women's. That's why they're so narrow. I'm about to say, like, what's going on here? Air Max 95 down to 70 bucks from 145. Air Max 97 down to 100 from 160. Not a bad colorway here. So we got the NMD G1. We've seen this in another colorway, but not this black colorway. Triple black is not a bad shoe. New Air Force One. Color combination's not bad. What do you guys think about these? Have to show these for personal reasons, down to 40 bucks from 120. Sizes 6 through. Bunch of hats on sale for $20. Even got one for $18 here. Snapback as well, $20, $18. Pretty good selection of hats here, some even $25. This is a newer shoe, Adidas Mid-City Low in the black and white colorway. Are you guys a fan of this? $85 on the retail. I told you guys I'm gonna show you guys new shoes. Okay, so we're getting closer. Now down to 140 from 170. Got 8 through 13, a full size run left. So nobody bought this shoe, huh? These are down to 120. They need to drop below 100. I'm only showing these, even though we've seen these before, but they are on sale. We got the Luca on sale for 95 bucks, size 8 through 13 available. What's crazy is the fact that most of these shoes posted, they have size 8 through 13 available, like full size runs, bro. Look at them trying to get in the ball game with the Mitchell & Ness shorts down to 50 bucks from 85. I do like this Western Conference Grizzlies shirt. That is pretty dope. Bull shorts. They got some pretty good merch over here. But what's up with these stores having pretty much full size runs of shoes and on sale? We definitely have to talk about that at the end of the video. Colorway on the Air Max Plus 3. This one's not bad. $190 on the retail. And I believe this is a new colorway of the Air Max Pulse. You guys a fan of these or not? Let me know your thoughts about these in the comments below. New colorway on this On Running. These retail for $170. The purple colorway is not bad. It's Nike Huarache Run. This is like a newer model right here. Kind of low cut Huarache. $140 on the retail for these. They got another colorway too that's actually pretty dope. Got the leather and suede on the upper. These are pretty clean. $140. This model might do some numbers later on once they come out with some more lit colorways like they do with the Huaraches. But I like that mesh leather combination on these. Talk about these really quick. Starting to slowly disappear. Not seeing them at too many stores like I was a week ago. Pretty dope shoe, man. Get them before they're all gone. We talked about these on upcoming sneakers on Bossco 2.0. This is a great basketball sneaker to try out from what I've been told. $160 on the retail. And I've been hearing about this shoe a lot too as well. Let me know what you guys think about this Curry here. $150 for these. On these because on Bobby Thrift, we just seen these at Ross for 49 bucks, I think it was. Four colorways, the pink one down to 89 bucks. Originally 160, not bad. Everything's on sale nowadays, I'm telling you. Saw these at Ross as well for 39 bucks or something like that, really cheap. I was able to find these for 50 bucks, bro. At $50 on this shoe. 20 on these. Have not seen this colorway. Kind of stands out a little bit. And this shoe is comfortable. Let me know if you guys own a pair of these or what do you think about them. So many colorways, and a lot of these are starting to pop up at Ross too. So check your local Ross if you're looking for an actual pair for like 35 bucks. Inside Shoe Palace. What do you guys think about this Nike Scorpion shoe? Definitely has some weight to them. $250 on the retail. What do you guys think about these? Definitely a weird looking shoe. Retro section always looks a little healthier than others. I may be one of the few, but I like this color combination. Not enough to buy it for myself, but I do like the color combination on this. Then of course, one of the most recent releases, the Jordan 2 Low. What's this, the maroon colorway? Definitely seen this before. Look at the leather quality on that upper. Definitely a good shoe right there as far as quality is concerned. And then Panda Low, they put this in there crazy. I thought it had a low cut. See the back? They just put the thing in there wrong. Pause. Not quite sure if it was this location or another location that have them, but we definitely seen these before. Only showing them because they are pretty dope in my opinion. Some people have been asking me in the comments on Instagram and even YouTube if I've been seeing these around still. Skylines are still available in select locations. I say Shoe Palace Glendale, as well as Shoe Palace on Melrose. Go ahead and check those two spots. Pretty big Adidas selection as we've seen before, but a lot of shoes here we definitely have seen. Let me know what are some of your standouts. You know, which one do you guys like more, this colorway or the other? These right here too, not bad. Not a bad colorway, not really feeling it, but it just looks different. I know if this was in men's sizes, people would have been all over this. Only 59 bucks for its grade school size 7. They do have a few sizes left of the Iverson Denver Nugget colorway for 89 bucks. A lot of people have been looking for this colorway too. $89 on sale. Whole little wrestling collection over here that's actually pretty dope, bruh. Classics, RIP Iron Sheik on there, and anybody else who's not here too. Roddy Piper, oh my god, Jake the Snake. These shorts are pretty dope though, with all the WWE belts. Pretty clean situation right here. Funko Pops galore. You might ask yourself, Bossco, why you got us in the Funko store? I do got you in the Funko store because I want to let you guys know that on my website, bosscosgoodies.com, you guys can find Funko Pops on there now, as well as trading card packs, you dig? But they got the deals over here too, 12 each or 3 for 33 bucks. You can't go wrong with that. And this store has all kinds of Funkos. I don't have this many Funkos on my site, but I do have a pretty good selection. Snoop Dogg. I got a couple Snoop Dogg's, Notorious B.I.G., Tupac Shakur, Post Malone. I got this one. I got that on the website. This Post Malone right here, number 254, is on the website. If it's not when you check this out, it will be shortly after. Go ahead and check it out, bosscosgoodies.com. You dig? Talking. We got basketball ones. I'm gonna have to, not today, because I'm gonna chill out. I'm gonna grab a couple of these and throw them on the site too. One more thing. Just because you guys see me find stuff for low at Ross or anything, when I put it on the site, I'm not selling it for what I bought it for. I gotta make a profit. That's how I make a living besides YouTube, you dig? Luka, Shaq, Ben. I'm looking for a Kyrie. They ain't got no Kyries. Giannis, Scottie Pippen, Kevin Durant, James Harden, Allen Iverson. No Kyrie Funkos at this location. Nah, I'm kind of disappointed. Let's get out of here.